In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Outlook without an account. This method is especially useful if you want to access the Outlook application without linking it to an email address, whether for testing, offline use, or simply exploring the interface. To begin, go to your computer and open the search feature. You can do this by clicking on the search bar located on your taskbar. Once it's active, type in the word Run, and you should see the Run application appear as the best match. Click on it to open the Run dialog box. When the Run window appears on your screen, you'll see a small field where you can type commands. This is where you'll enter a specific instruction to launch Outlook in a way that bypasses the usual account setup process. Carefully type in outlook.exe, followed by a space. After that, type /, then the letter P, followed by another space. Next, type IM, add another space, and then type no email as a single word, making sure the first letter of each part is capitalized exactly as shown. It's important to enter this command correctly, as even a small typo can prevent it from working. Take a moment to double-check everything before proceeding. Once you're confident that the command is accurate, click the OK button at the bottom of the Run window. After doing this, Microsoft Outlook will launch without prompting you to sign in or connect an email account. Instead, it will open directly into the application, allowing you to access its interface and features without going through the usual setup process. This can be particularly helpful if you only need to view the layout, test functionality, or use Outlook in a limited capacity without syncing emails. Keep in mind that while this method allows you to open Outlook without an account, some features may be restricted since they rely on an active email connection. However, for basic access and navigation, this approach works effectively, and that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to open Microsoft Outlook without using an email account. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.